Okay.
You will try everything.
Okay.
So get ready.
Okay, yeah. As we promised, we found another world cuisine. Hoy te invitamos a la Taqueria Los Primos, comida mexicana. Let's check out the kitchen.
Hi guys, welcome to Taqueria Los Primos. I'm gonna give you a quick tour that way you guys can see how we work, how we do the things here. Is that okay?
That's awesome. Yeah,
Okay,
let's
guys,
go.
This is the prep area. Everything is fresh day by day, and sometimes we do their things in the moment to make it and keep the people happy, right? Come here, let's go. That is the special from the house. We call trompo al pastor. We make chicken tacos, we make steak tacos, we do buche tacos, we do pastor, we do carnitas, we do tripe, we do tom, we do a lot of different kind of meats tacos. And that is the steep table, fried beans, rice, tongue, barbacoa, cebollines. This is the green salsa, spicy salsa, pambazos, beef tinga, chicken tinga.
There's so much going on.
Oh yeah, a little bit of everything. And here we have the menudo, beef stomach. We have guajillo and chile puya. That is how we call. That is one of the specials too of the houses. This is the tongue.
What animal?
Well, this is cow.
Cow tongue?
Cows.
Oh, is that lengua?
The lengua.
Lengua.
Tacos de lengua. We do not too big portions. For example, this. And when it's finished, then we cook more to keep it fresh.
Okay.
You will try everything.
Okay.
So get ready.
Okay, yes, I know. We're hungry, so we're ready. All right, thank you.
Thank you guys.
How can we not start our meal with their tacos al pastor first? This is one of their specialty dishes. So al pastor basically just means, as you saw earlier in the kitchen, it refers to the vertical split of how they cook their meat. Here we got the marinated pork. Also, the chef told me that it is not authentic if tacos al pastor doesn't have pineapple on them, and there's pieces of pineapple. So this looks great. Put a little bit of that red salsa sauce. I'm sorry, lo siento. No puedo habla español, but this is so good. This is muy delicioso. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you can feel it, but I can feel the juice coming out of the tortilla skin. Onion tastes super fresh. I love the cilantro on there. It's a little bit spicy, but the pork is super juicy. Let me put a little bit of the green salsa, a little bit of lime juice. Oh. The lime just really added extra happiness to my taco. I love it. Yeah, I can feel the spiciness. The heat is kind of hitting my tongue right now. Radish. Cucumber too. Super fresh. Cheers. One of the very common Mexican drinks is by mixing juices and probably a fruit and a vegetable. Here we got the beetroot mixed with orange juice, which I've never, this really is a combination that I've never thought about. So let's see. Ooh. I can definitely taste the beetroot first, pulps up from the orange juice, which explains that it is a fresh orange. Yeah, it's just the right amount of sweetness, not super sweet like store-bought orange juice, but definitely has a strong beet flavor, and if you don't like beet, you might not like this, but I'd still say this just tastes very healthy to me. Next, we got the menudo, which is a traditional Mexican soup, and it comes with a big bowl, hot bowl of soup, and with some warm tortilla, and also a side plate of rice, cilantro, raw onions, and some lime wedges. I'm just gonna dig in right now. Look at the smoke. It's perfect for this cold and rainy day. It's super thick. Oh, and by the way, I didn't explain. Menudo has, basically it is a beef stomach soup, and it has other different parts of organ in it as well, such as beef honeycomb, maybe some tendon, and I think they cooked it together with a beef bone too. Wow. It's so tender. Muy rico. Oh, and let me add a little bit of lime juice. There we go. Oh, this is so good. I love it. I could smell sort of like a pungent smell to it. I don't know if it's because of all the beef intestines that's used in this soup, but it smells pretty strong. But then I don't taste that at all. I don't taste that pungent smell or flavor at all. It just smells like that. Let me maybe add some cilantro to sort of garnish my soup maybe, and a little bit of the raw onion too. Just kind of mix it all up. I'm not sure if there isn't an appropriate way of eating this, right? A big piece of my beef tendon. Super warming, tender is nice and tender, a little bit chewy. This is perfect, guys. I love this warm soup. One more spoon. We got the Barbacoa de Borrego. So barbacoa just means barbecue, and then borrego means lamb. So this is a barbecued lamb. It's served on top of a bed of rice with some side beans and some lettuce, a little bit of salsa, and some lime wedges. Take a little bit of beans, a little bit of it's like bean paste. Wow. I can tell already that this dish is super filling because of all the beans and the carbs, but also that lamb. Even though it's called barbacoa, like barbecued, and with his barbecue sauce, it's really the way to cook it. Lamb meat, I'm pretty sure they cooked it for a really long time because that pungent smell of lamb meat just is not here. I don't taste it at all. Oh, and by the way, Barbacoa de Borrego is only available on the weekend, so if you come on a Saturday or Sunday, make sure you get this. Let me mix everything together one more time with some vegetables, a little bit of beans, a little bit of lamb meat, and some rice as well. Oh, and also this dish isn't spicy, so if you want to add some excitement, if you can't eat spicy food very well, just put a little bit. That's enough to burn your tongue. Everything in my mouth. There's a crispness from the veggies, the tenderness from the lamb, the mushy beans, the rice, and a little bit of sourness from the lime juice, and spiciness from the salsa. I love it. And then the rest of my cucumber. The second drink we got here is the carrot mixed with orange juice. It looks very orange in color. It looks just like carrot juice, but there is orange mixed in it, similar to beetroot juice earlier. So I'm gonna take my first sip. And taste the pulp first. Definitely for this juice, I can taste the orange flavor that comes up before the carrot flavor. It is very fresh tasting and lots of pulp inside. I just feel very healthy right now. All the vitamins are in my meal right now. Vitamin A, vitamin C, I got everything. Next, we got the Aguachile. Just look at this video right here. There's all kinds of stuff in here. There is avocados, generous amount of avocados, red onions, cucumbers, and a mix of seafood. There's shrimp, octopus, I have scallops, and snail. How often do you find snail in restaurants, right? And by the way, it comes with a huge plate of tortilla chips. Look at how generous they are. And also, it's not just for us, it's for everybody. Okay, let's see what we got here. Shrimp. Ooh, and a slice of cucumber. So sour from the lime juice. This reminds me of ceviche. But this is very good because it has a mix of different kinds of seafood. I have a little bit of avocado. I love avocado. And of course, I've got to try the snail, right? Let's see. Here's a piece of snail. It's chewy, like abalone actually. Okay, now let me begin with this tortilla chips. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to eat this, but I'm just gonna put a little bit of the juice and a little tiny piece of this scallop on top of my chips. The crispiness, chewiness, sour, tender, everything all in one bite. Let me put a little bit of everything onto my chips. A little bit of avocado, a little bit of a piece of shrimp, and a slice of raw onion. Slice of avocado, a slice of red onion, and then a little octopus. Explosion of all flavors and textures in my mouth. My mouth is really busy right now. Can you tell us a little bit about the background of Taqueria Los Primos?
Well, everything started with was like an idea between his and his brother. They take the decision to start his own business, like start selling tacos in the food truck. A year and a half, they opened this location where we are now. A lot of the recipes come from his mother.
Wow.
Yeah, because mostly of things has that special recipe from Mexico. You know?
Right.
So a lot of things, we asked her how we have to do it, and she taught us how to do it.
Wow.
So he's from La Gloria El Perote, Veracruz, Mexico.
It's a family recipe.
Family recipe, yeah. So
Wow.
that is why it's authentic.
Yeah, it is. They're definitely authentic. Yeah.
Yes.
There's so many Mexican restaurants here. How does Taqueria Los Primos stand out from the other Mexican restaurants?
Pues con la calidad de la comida que tenemos, ¿vale? Que pues, a la gente le gusta mucho todo lo que hacemos, cómo lo preparamos, cómo lo servimos y el sabor más que nada, el sabor auténtico mexicano.
We try to keep everything most original we could. We try to do everything fresh, and we try to keep our customers happy, right? So that is one of the keys for us to keep growing up. And day by day that is in our mind, working at the same level since the beginning. And we try to do day by day like best,
Right, yeah.
to keep it up.
Okay, well, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for being here. I
Thank you.
appreciate it.
Gracias. We enjoyed our Mexican food experience here at Taqueria Los Primos so much. This place, you just can't get more authentic, and it's getting super crowded. People are running around. You gotta run over here, get your table, order your food. I felt like I almost like got lost in Mexico or something. There's Spanish-speaking people all around me, Spanish menu above me, but pictures definitely help. Again, Alberto here was very helpful in explaining each food we had and explaining to us the ingredients. It was certainly a very great experience here. If you enjoyed our video today, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, smash the subscribe, hit on the bell to get notifications. Until